In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can wishlist an app on the Google Play Store. So all you need to do is launch up the Google Play Store and then go to an app that you want to wishlist. So let's say I want to go to this IQ option app right here. It'll load up the app page and then you can see 3 vertical dots at the top right. If you tap on that, you can then see an option. It says add to wish list. That app has now been added to my wish list. And if you want to go ahead and view your wish list, you can go back, tap on those 3 horizontal stripes at the top left. And then you can see an option under subscriptions. It says wish list. Tap on that. And there you can see the app in my wish list. So that is how you wish list an app on the Google Play Store. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.